Hi, I'm AK and welcome to my channel Artistic K-pop, and let's move on to the video. Recently, actor Jisoo, who also worked in dramas such as Scarlet Heart Rio and was currently working on his new drama called River Where the Moon Rises, was accused of bullying in school. Netizen A claimed that Jisoo is a perpetrator of school violence and said he was one of the top bullies. A said his daily routine was really organized. First, there would be always a fight between Jisoo and the other bullies. When someone in the group was feeling down, they would all come looking for me and beat me up, stomping on me and insulting me with curses. The netizen also claimed Jisoo and his bully friends were smokers who bullied other students into buying the cigarettes for them. And they would steal seats from students in the cafeteria. And when food such as kimchi, radish or cherry tomatoes were served for lunch, they would target other students, flinging the food using their spoons or throwing the food. A said, I can still remember how they laughed among themselves after they see the food hit my face or clothes. And as for the reason as to why they started bullying him, A claimed, the reason this all started towards me because one of the bullies in Jisoo's group took away a gift certificate from student B. And I told the bully I would tell the police if they didn't give it back. The netizen A further continued, Jisoo would constantly curse at fellow students every day, including curses directed towards their parents, and that they would threaten anyone who hang out with A. Then A alleged, I couldn't go anywhere except the classroom where the students who were experiencing the same thing as me went. And when I ran into him in stairwell, I would be driven into a corner and have to hear his abusive language. Then A also alleged that the actor Jisoo would shoot a BB gun at other students on the bus to the school, shooting out of the window and smiling. Then A said that I don't want any apology or anything, but if you want to act, then you need a title of school violence perpetrator before your name. But this is not all. After A, some other netizens came forward and accused Jisoo for sexual assault. According to accuser B, Jisoo was a womanizer and he even filmed himself having intercourse with a middle school student in a bathroom. Later he shared that video with his friends. And another accuser C said Jisoo even forced male students to let Jisoo masturbate on their faces. And C also said that he has recorded conversation with the victim about the incident as a proof. But after these allegations, Jisoo's label Key East Entertainment released a statement that currently we are putting forth the effort to confirm the facts about this issue, and we ask for your understanding as we need time to investigate the allegations. And after their statement, Jisoo blocks all comments on his Instagram, on which many netizens criticized him, saying if you are confident that you were not a school bully, then don't hide and explain. And after blocking all the comments, Jisoo finally on March 4th posted a statement saying, I would like to sincerely apologize to all those who were hurt by me. I have absolutely no room for excuses for my actions in the past. Deep inside, I always held a sense of guilt in one part of my heart, and an irreversible regret haunted me anxiously. I was always pressed down by my dark past. I now beg forgiveness to those who were undoubtedly deeply hurt for a long time seeing me acting. And I will reflect on the unforgivable actions of my past and repent. I feel miserable and guilty for inflicting so much damage on all of my fellow drama cast and crew members, broadcasting station, and all those affiliated with the production, solely due to my own personal mistakes. I sincerely pray that the drama will not suffer any more damage. Once again, I beg for forgiveness on my knees to all those who were hurt by me. And as such, Jisoo apologizes to his past victims and to the public in a handwritten letter. As I told you earlier that Jisoo was currently working on a drama called River Where the Moon Rises by KBS2, and as a result of this controversy, KBS said that they are going to replace Jisoo with another actor, which is said to be actor Na In-woo, who played second lead role in drama such as Mr. Queen. From this drama, 18 out of 20 episodes had already been filmed, and out of 18 episodes, 6 episodes were already been published. KBS also said that they will edit Jisoo out as much as possible from the episode 7 and 8, which were going to release this week. They said actor Na In-woo will take over the lead role from episode 9, and they will start refilming from episode 9 to episode 20 again. But that is not all about Jisoo. On March 3rd, a netizen claiming to be staff member of the drama River Where the Moon Rises made a post on online community saying, from working with Jisoo on the filming set for 3 months, it's true that he is a scumbag. He doesn't greet anyone when he sees them. He smokes, spits and throws away the cigarettes anywhere he wants. He also treats his manager like his personal servant. Jisoo would say, "Bring me cigarettes, bring me water," and treats them really poorly. He's not a decent human being. Then this netizen continued to say, "Jisoo can't say anything in front of the director. A person like him should never be allowed to be a public figure. Keep in mind that everything you see in the drama is 100% fake." And after that, Key East Entertainment releases another statement saying, "We would like to make it to be known that the claims of sexual assault, such as those involving having forced and pressuring people, are completely false." Point to be noted, they did admit to other bullying allegations, but they completely denied the sexual assault or other such allegations. And later, they also said Jisoo will be taking break from all his activities for 7 months before enlisting for his mandatory military service as a public service worker. And that is all for this video. Tell me your thoughts on this matter in the comment section below, and please care to subscribe to my channel and also click on bell icon for all notifications.